Good evening. Thank you for joining us here on the Sunday News at 10. I'm Shira Matsuzawa. Doug Petcash has the night off. And both legal sides are busy preparing for Bryan Kohberger's 5-day preliminary hearing in late June. The 28-year-old is charged with murdering 4 University of Idaho students: Ethan Chapin, Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogen, and Kaylee Gonzalez. Newly released court documents from the Latah County Prosecutor's Office detail the state's response to a discovery request filed by Kohberger's attorney earlier this month. And this means the prosecution is sharing its evidence with the legal defense team representing Kohberger. And News Channel 7's Abby Davis joins us now to break everything down. And Abby, discovery requests are pretty standard in pretrial processes like this.
Well, not only that, Shira, this is likely only the first round of discovery requests, with both sides really just making sure that they have access to the same exact evidence. On January 10th, Bryan Kohberger's public defender filed a request for discovery in court. According to the American Bar Association, this is the formal process of exchanging information between the prosecution and the defense about witnesses and evidence they'll represent at trial. In that request, they asked for 18 things, including a list of potential witnesses, police reports, and evidence. State law requires the prosecution to respond. On January 23rd, the Latah County Prosecutor's Office confirmed it fulfilled that request. New court documents show the state sent the defense police reports and documents, including 995 pages, 1 audio-video file, and a number of photos. Former Idaho Attorney General Dave Leroy told KTVB this exchange of evidence is fairly standard. He says what makes this response unique is the large amount of evidence to sort through, considering the pretrial process only recently begun. Discovery requests ensure both sides have access to the same evidence attorneys will use to craft their arguments either for or against Kohberger. The discovery process is ongoing. Latah County's prosecuting attorney confirmed they'll give the defense any new information discovered in the upcoming months. As for what's next, Leroy expects the state to request a discovery back from the defense. He says the state will most likely ask for similar material and information the defense may use in the courtroom. Kohberger waived his right to a speedy preliminary hearing earlier this month. He'll be back in court, like we said earlier, for his preliminary hearing on June 26th. Leroy says a judge will then decide if there's probable cause to believe a crime was committed and if there is probable cause to believe Kohberger committed the crime. If there is, Shira, a different judge from the district court would then set a date for trial if Kohberger requests one.
All right. Abby Davis, thank you for breaking that down for us.